Spotify hacks nobody tells you about in 2026. So first of all, let's open our Spotify. And then first of all, what we're going to do is do the advanced search modifier. So for that, let's get into the search icon right here, tap on the search bar. And now what you're going to do is search for something like year dash 2002 2000 to 2005, just like this. Or what we're going to do is search for this exact thing. Now we're going to get all of the hit songs and playlists from year 2000 to 2005. This way you can be more specific about what you actually want to listen to. So the second one would be enabling your private session. So for that, what we're going to do is get to the home page and then tap on the profile icon on the top left corner. Then from here, tap on settings and privacy, tap on privacy and social, and in here enable this private session, tap on got it, and now you will be able to enable all of your private sessions, meaning that you will be able to listen to any kind of music that you want, and you won't be sharing your listening activity to anyone, and it will all be private. So yeah, this was the second one. The third one would be your audio quality. So for that, what we're going to do is go back. Here we are on the settings, then tap on media quality. Then from here, what we're going to do is now select the option very high to all of the streaming and also the download option. So in here, make sure to disable this auto adjust option too, so that if your Wi-Fi or cellular data is getting weak connection, it won't automatically download low quality for you. So also in here, make sure to select high or very high, just like this. And in here, if we go back, we can tap on the option playback right here. If you scroll down a bit, you'll get the option of equalizer. All you need to do is tap on that one, and in here now you'll be able to adjust your own equalizer. So if you simply adjust it like this, you'll be able to do it according to your own preference. So yeah, these were some few hacks about Spotify that nobody actually talks about. So that's it.